Hello everyone, Alan T here. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are new to trading, you should know that trading is not easy. It's a highly competitive business and most traders fail. Many traders have traded over 10 years now, and a lot of them never got any withdrawal yet. Some traders just started trading. Within a few years, they made millions and make trading a full-time career. You see, I've been trading the Forex market for over 10 years now, and it took me 3 years to figure it out how to make profits from the market. It took me 5 years to achieve consistency. It's a very challenging journey, and I believe a lot of traders wondering what the journey looks like. What is it like to go from a consistent loser to a consistent winner trading the market? Why 90% of traders are stuck in the losing cycle? Even though they are making good money at first, in the end something happened, they screw up and give everything back to the market. And what should trader do so they can go to becoming a profitable trader fast? I'm going to answer all these questions, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have clarity on where you are at on this journey, why you're stuck in the endless cycle, and what you should be doing to go to the next stage fast and effectively. So let's get started. First question, what is it like to go from a loser to a winner trading the market? What does the journey look like? Let me show you. So this is how the journey looks like. We have 3 phases. So we have the losing phase, the break-even phase, and the winner phase. Now, you know that this could be a cycle, meaning that even though you are at the winner phase, you are making profits, but still you can go back to break-even, you can go back to the losing side. So be aware about that, and I'm going to go deeper right now. Phase 1. If you are a loser, you're stuck in phase 1. The losing phase. But don't be too sad, because this is the phase where you will learn to become a real trader. This is a phase that you will gain trading knowledge and trading experience from the live trading environment. This is a phase where you will find out what works. And that's why you are jumping from one system to another system. As soon as you think it is not working, you move on to the next system instead of working on the current system. You want to see result fast. You want to get rich quick. That's why you blow off multiple trading accounts over and over again. Now, you don't know what's the right things to do. You haven't figured it out yet, and you have no idea about the mental game in trading. This is a phase where you don't know what you don't know to you know what you don't know. This is a phase where you go from unconscious incompetence to conscious incompetence. In this stage, you will never make money. Now, if you are at the break-even phase, this is the phase where you already know what you should be doing now. You know what's the right actions that you must take. However, it takes time for you to be able to take the right actions effortlessly. That's why you will still make some mistakes. You will keep learning, you keep working on your current systems, and you will train yourself to take the right actions effortlessly. This is when you started to be aware of the mental game in trading. Now, when you are in this phase, you are going from you know what you don't know to saying, oh, it requires so much work, but I believe I can do it, right? This is where you go from conscious incompetence to conscious competence. When you are at phase 3, which you are making money trading the market right now, guess what? This is the winner phase. This is the phase where you finally found your trading style. You know what works. You know what works best for you. And most importantly, you're able to execute flawlessly and consistently. You are good at technical analysis. When you look at the chart, you know what the market tells you. You are good at the mental game in trading. You're at peace with any outcome. You're confident, but you're not too overconfident. That's when your account started to grow exponentially, because you are good now. You have no problem acquiring bigger capital. Once you master your trading system altogether, you start to putting your attention on optimizing the trading system. This is when you go from it requires so much work, but I believe I can do it, to saying that I don't have to think about it, I just do it. This is the winner phase. Now, why 90% traders stuck in the losing cycle? When traders, they learn a new trading strategy, they follow the step, they back tested the step, and they jumped to live trading. And then they will start to make some profits. And when they started to make some profits, they got excited and they get carried away. They think that they are controlling the market. They are going to become rich now. The dreams are going to become reality now. They don't have to wait that long to become rich. That's why they increase their risk. And they think that the market is never going to go against them anymore. Not long after this, drawdowns kick in and they get discouraged. And at the same time, some random guy promoted their strategy on social media by showing off how much profit they make from trading. And the traders that have drawdowns, and see the other guys got profits, what they do, they get discouraged, right? What would they feel? They no longer have faith in their trading strategy. And that's why they will stop trading. Now, instead of working on their trading system, they see another person making profits, they get excited, and guess what? They give up on their current strategy, put everything aside, they move on to the next strategy. They think that this is something right to do to help them to progress to the next stage. You see, jumping from one system to another system, especially when you have drawdowns, will not get you where you want. You think you're making progress, but guess what? You're stuck in the losing cycle forever. And every time you start a new system, you have to start from scratch again. So it's totally wasting a lot of time, and that's why most traders stuck in this losing cycle. So if you want to become a profitable trader, you have to do it differently. You have to act differently than the majority. You have to fall in love with the process of trading. You have to keep refining your trading plan rather than quickly looking another one. Do not expect you will get what you want fast. Yes, the result will come to you eventually, but you should immerse yourself completely in the system, in the process. You should have faith in yourself, have confidence in your trading system. You should stick to your trading system. If you're stuck in this losing cycle and you realize the main reason that made you stuck in this losing cycle is, if you listen carefully, then you should know that your feelings. That's why you fail, right? The losers, they have no idea about the mental game in trading. Or maybe they did aware, but they choose to ignore it. Now, if you look closely at the losing cycle, you will realize that you fail because there are too many feelings than thinking. You got excited when you make profits, and you crave for more profits. You get depressed when drawdown kicks in, and worry that you will give everything back to the market. You got angered and you feel the market is taking away what belongs to you, then you revenge the market. You feel unfair when seeing other people making money, but you are losing money, and you blame the system for your poor result, so you give up. A new system gives you hope. That's why you fail. You make decisions based on what you feel. That's why you took all these bad actions. First one, you're widening your stop loss. Why are you widening your stop loss? Maybe because you worry that the price will take you at a loss, then reverse into your targeted level. It may happen before, or maybe you have faith that the price is going to work out. That's why you keep widening stops, so that you won't get taken out first. You will have profits eventually. The losses are just temporarily. And you close your profitable trades too early because you chicken out. You worry that the price can reverse, and then you lost everything, all the profits that you have. So you close it early, and the next day the price go towards your target. And you know you are supposed to take the trade, but you are not taking that trades. You're not entering trades. You're not hitting the damn button. You miss the trades because you fear, because you're not focused, maybe because you're low on confidence. You enter the market too late. You enter the market too early. You're violating your trading rules. You're widening the TP because you got greedy. You think that the price can go further. You take too many trades because you think that the market is in your favor. There's no way you're going to lose. So you keep taking trades. You're addicted to taking trades. You're addicted to the excitements that trading give you. You update the chart frequently. Keep looking at the chart. Am I making profit yet? Why is it I'm not making profit yet? Why the price is still struggling? You never journal your trades. You never review your trades. You never improve on your trading system. And lastly, the worst mistake that you can make is revenge trading. You got angered. You're fed up. You're unable to think clearly. And then you just hit the damn button, keep hitting on the damn button, hoping that the price can give you profits. And even though if the price doesn't, you don't care anymore. That's why you revenge. The phases that I'm talking about is a cycle, right? It doesn't matter if you're in the losing phase, the break-even phase, or the winning phase. The moment there are too much feelings involved, that's when you will go back to the losing phase. When you're making good money, you start craving for more money. You will not be able to do the right things effortlessly anymore. When you started to doubt yourself because you're in the break-even phase for too long and you don't see any result, guess what will happen? You are fed up and you try to challenge the market because your feelings are controlling your decision making right now. There will be more emotions when you're in the losing cycle. You will be worrying that, oh, what will this person think of me? You start to doubt yourself and the system. You start to angry at the market and revenge trading. Now, even though you're at the winning phase, that doesn't guarantee that you will be in it forever. When you have too many feelings, you will affect your decision-making process, and then you'll go backward. So I hope you can see what you're doing wrong right now. And hopefully, I show you a directions on what you should be working on next, so that you're able to progress to the next stage fast. Now, what should you do to become profitable trader fast? First off, you need to know where you are at right now. Are you a losing trader consistently? Are you making positive progression now and you're currently a break-even trader? Or you are winning consistently. Be honest to yourself, and that's how you can take the right actions. If you are losing trader, then you want to reduce losses. You do not want to lose more than 20%. You want to train yourself to not be addicted to the outcome. When you're addicted to the outcome, you know that you're at the losing phase. You got to do something about it. When you're a break-even trader, guess what you need to do? You want to eliminate all your mistakes one by one. And this is when you start to develop self-discipline. You need to find ways to have stronger self-discipline. And you need to train yourself to execute flawlessly trading the market. And when you're a winner, you need to consistently improve on yourself. You need to be able to execute flawlessly, effortlessly, and you are able to attach completely from the outcome. And you just repeat the process over and over again. And guess what? You are going to make your dreams a reality. Now, if you really want to become a profitable trader, you really need to work hard on yourself, the foundation. And then you need to work hard on your trading system. And finally, optimizations. Now, the foundation means that you need to train yourself to have a solid trader mindset. You have a strong discipline, you are good in managing your emotions and your expectations. You are able to train yourself to execute flawlessly. These are the foundations that you need to have. And then you should work on your trading system. Once you have all these foundations, work on your mindset first, work on the discipline first, the emotion management first, and then until you are able to execute flawlessly, following your trading plan, then and only then you work on your rules, the trading plan, the entry, the stop loss, the TP to optimize to get the maximum risk rewards ratio. And finally, you want to increase your risk, right? If your system works 60%, 70%, 80% of the time, then you know that instead of risking 1%, maybe you can risk 2% for that particular setup. So you want to optimize your risk management only after you have done the foundation, only after you optimize your TP and stop loss, okay? And then you got to train yourself to execute flawlessly, effortlessly. You got to be able to completely detach to the outcome and just repeat the whole process. This is how you can become a winner. At first, work on yourself first until you are able to execute flawlessly. All right. Now, let me show you some tips on how you can become a winner. Now, if you're a profitable trader or if you're a winner, guess what? There's no fear. There's no hesitation. There's no compulsion for you to do anything. You are at peace, right? You are confident with your trades, confident with the setup, confident with the market, but you're not overconfident or euphoria. You're not too excited. You have the stable confidence. This is what we want. You are able to execute flawlessly based on the market. And the process is effortlessly. If you need energy, if you need willpower, if you need a strong self-control to force yourself to execute flawlessly, and guess what? Eventually, you'll just give up everything. You will just let your feelings to make the decision for you, right? So you got to execute flawlessly and effortlessly. And then you need to accept that anything can happen. Once you accept that anything can happen, you're not going to risk too much. And you detach yourself entirely with any outcome. You make profits, that's great. There's a losing trade. Oh, it's okay, it's fine. I'll just look for the next one. It's a break-even trade, it's a missed trade. It's fine. You know that you want to win, but it's okay if you don't have it, right? You detach yourself completely with any outcome. You are not excited, not too excited with the profits that you make. You are not sad with the losing trades. This is what it means by be a carefree trader. Once you're able to achieve this state, guess what? You are going to become a consistent, profitable trader. Now, I know that a lot of you must be thinking right now, is trading worth it? You see, you keep on trying, but you see no result yet. All you want is just make extra money to support your family and make your dreams a reality, or you like trading and want to challenge yourself to become a top 1% trader. Whatever it is, you know that you have been working hard. You have invested so much money, but you still blow your accounts after accounts. You're not seeing any result yet. You're still far from where you want to be. I know that trading is a very lonely profession. No one understands you. Those who support you will start questioning you once they do not see any result. You are not sure what you should be doing. That is why I decided to make this video. I was defeated many times before I finally become a profitable trader. I lost too much to have what I have today, and I understand how helpless you are right now. I'm making this video to show you what you are doing wrong right now and what you should be doing so that you can finally take the right actions and start making your dreams a reality. The journey may be challenging and may be lonely, but guess what? It will be worth it eventually. With the opportunities that we have right now, it's way easier than ever before for you to trade six figures. In the future, we'll talk about this. All you need to do right now is to get out of the losing cycle. Start focusing and start taking the right action. Focus on the process. work hard to make you a better person so that you can become a better trader, and eventually everything will be worth it. I want you to keep in mind that the successful trader that you want to become is the future projection of yourself that you must grow into. Reflect on this, think about this, and you will know what you need to do. Rewatch this video if you need it. And here's your actions for today. Number one, you want to identify where you are at in this journey. You want to list down all your mistakes and start working on them one by one. You do not want to work on all at once. Start one by one so that you can see the actual progress. It may be slow, but take your time. And next, you need to identify your trading personality. You need to know what suits you the best. What kind of system that suits you? Swing trading or day trading? Now, if you find day trading too challenging, maybe you should go to swing trading. If you find swing trading too boring, maybe you should have more in your life so you are not dependent on trading entirely, right? So work hard to identify the trading personality that suits you. And then you want to have a clear trading plan. You want to work on your willpower. Stronger willpower will have stronger self-discipline. And you want to work on detachment. When you are able to detach yourself completely, you do not care about the outcome. When you do not care about the outcome, you won't make those bad mistakes. All right. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. I hope you find this video useful. I hope I can show you the directions on where you should be going next. So work hard. You can become the profitable trader that you want. It will all be worth it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.